Um, anyway, um, I think Best Bill Arnel Castillo is he's still very angry. He says about PI. Why he says about PI? You know Best Bill Arnel Castillo, ha? You know Best Bill Arnel Castillo, Guerrera Jr. Um, you're the one who make act of lasciviousness or rape joke at Teacher May Tiburcio, especially especially Teacher Marisa Conche, Teacher Rina Nebres, and even Teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos, Teacher Lovelyn Vilasor, Teacher Isa Vancula, that was a girlfriend of Teacher Vince, and even Shania Kiana, Michelle D, and the Miss Earth 2022, Mina Suchoy, even Paula Nunez. You include them in your making a rape joke and act of lasciviousness. Best Pill, Arnel Castillo. You know Best Pill, aka Arnel Castillo. Ah, I do not know what you're doing. You're a cell phone thief of um, of uh, of Sir Calvin Cuevas in Marikina. That was you, Best Pill, Arnel Castillo. And even you're the one who make nonsense and you make harassment against Teacher Evelyn. Oh, you're the one who make nonsense at against TVJ, Tito Soto, Vic Soto, and Joey De Leon. And then another one, you curses the Food Panda and Grab Food delivery rider, and you call Vico Soto a rude, bastos, and not other that. I am saying you're the one who push that kid in SM Grand Central in the stairs. You're the one who pushed that kid. You're the one who make you're the one who stole the bicycle of Jen Bravo in Las Piñas. And you're the one who stole the cell phone in Marikina, the cell phone of Calvin Cuevas. That was the husband of Jessa Fernandez. Oh, you know Best Pill, Arnel Castillo, you are a cell phone thief. You don't have an a learn a lesson. I say to you in Filipino, wala ka lang talagang kadala-dala. Best Pill, Arnel Castillo. You know Best Pill, Arnel Castillo. As I'm saying to you, you are wanted by NBI and PNP. Do not blame anyone, especially that you made a mistake. However, you are a criminal, Best Pill, Arnel Castillo. You know Best Pill, Arnel Castillo. You're making a nonsense. You're making a joke. Even you damage Paula Nunez. Dinadawit mo si Paula. Ha? Best Pill, Arnel Castillo. You're calling her abnormal. You are abnormal, Best Pill, Arnel Castillo. You should never call that to the cerebral palsy abnormal. Even autism. And you do not call me autistic, Best Pill, Arnel Castillo. You are a fake news spender, Best Pill. And another one, this Gina Sejo. You're the one who scolded David Gill, 1999. You're the one who scolded me in CDIFI, year 2003 and 2004. Since years of Luis Cabales, Miguel Bonono, and Paul Renz Young. And you, Gina Sejo, you're the one who make slandering at Shania Kiana. Not even just that. I was commenting also this Victor Soriano, who is he's against TVJ. He ruined the TVJ and the Eat Bulaga trademark of Tito Soto, Vic Soto, and Joey De Leon. So what is those three idiots are doing there, ha? Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, and Victor Soriano. You know, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo, and Victor Soriano, if three of you don't really stop, I should put three of you in my enemy list together, that I move on from Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Daramay Tuason, Jeffrey Beltran, and Anya Santos Dumaloog. That I move on from them. And those are my enemies. I move on from them. Even you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo. What is hell is wrong with you? What is the hell what you're doing is to harass Shania Kiana. Even you, Gina Sejo. What is the purpose about her? Ha? Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo. I had enough about your accusation, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo. Both of you call me autistic. Both of you are assholes. Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, and Gin Asedio. I will never forget about what you did to me, Gin Asedio, and Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. Both of you are my enemies. And you know, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, you say about PI and you cry like a PI. What is that PI you're saying, Bespil? Like I said to you, Bespil, if I don't want to say, bakit ka nagmumura, Bespil? And you say about PI. You know, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, you are a wanted by NBI and PNP. Do not make any kind of allegations or deny anyway. You are wanted. As I was told by Joseph Maspinas, as I was told by Terra Francisco, that Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, is a wanted by NBI and PNP. As I was told by JD Biniegas, that Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, was wanted. You're a cellphone snatcher of Sir Calvin Cuevas. You are a cellphone snatcher in the Marikina. And I read it in the word, ninako pa ang cellphone sa Marikina. That was you, Bespil. Not even just that, you stole the bicycle of Jen Bravo in Las Piñas. Ninakaw mo ang bisikleta sa Las Piñas. worth it to 225,256 pesos. Oh, that was you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, and you're the one who curses the delivery rider, and you make a cyber libel against a delivery rider, especially the Grab Food, even Food Panda. You're making a cyber libel. That's what I'm saying. Mapalamura ka pala, Bespil, Arnel Castillo. You know, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, you are wanted by NBI and PNP. Ano, told by Joseph Maspinas, wala na. Dahil wanted ka na, Bespil, Arnel Castillo. You're wanted because I saw the post from Dan Mardayaw that Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, was also a wanted by NBI and PNP because this post came from Inkapuso Super Alliance in Facebook. Oh, that was a defender of that was a close friend of Bespil, Arnel Castillo. Because he betrayed him. You're a wanted, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. Oh, you might get in prison. You might get in prison together. Not even just that. Even that Romeo Halosos Sr., who was in prison also, convicted in act of viciousness. You, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo Guerrera Jr. You are wanted by authorities. You're wanted by NBI Cybercrime Division, and you're wanted by PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group. Bespil, aka Arnel Jair Nel Castillo Guerrera Jr. You are most wanted. You're the one who make act of viciousness. At Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Marisa Conche, Teacher Rina Nebres, Paula Nunez, Lovelyn Villasor, Teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos, even Isa Bancula, Teacher Isa, that was a girlfriend of Teacher Vince, even Michelle D, and including Mina Suchoy, the Miss Earth 2022. You included them in your making a rape joke and act of the viciousness. So how long will you gonna take if you were in prison, Bespil, Arnel Castillo? Because right now, I told to my uncle, I told to the uncle of David Gill, Joel Ferrer. He's a lawyer, I told him I can file the cases against Bespil, aka Arnel Guerrera Castillo. Because I told to Tito Joel Ferrer, who's the uncle of David Gill, even Mr. Dennis Gill, both of you can file the cases against Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, and Victor Soriano. 3 of them, they should be in prison. And file them. I already filed the cases against Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, Gina Sedjo, and Victor Soriano, because they're going to be in jail. Makukulong na sila. That's why. You know, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, don't make any kind of fake news. Like Joseph Maspinas says to me, makukulong ka na, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. Because you're unwanted. Nakatimbre ka na, Bespil. However, look at yourself, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. You're the one who makes cyberbullying against Vico Soto. You're the one who make cyberbullying against delivery rider of Food Panda and Grab. Yeah, you're going to be jail, Bespil. AKA Arnel Castillo. Oh. What if you tried that to curse anyone, not including Banat Bay, even Nino Barsaga? What if you curse Batang Maynila Tolits, even the fellow bloggers of TVJ? Oh, even the TVJ defenders. Oh, even you curses anyone, and you call me autistic, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. You should never call me that autistic. You should not include JD Biniegas and Tera Francisco. You should not include Jens Manaid and Nicky Miranda, Stefan Pimentel, and even Paul Matthew Somera and Matthew C. And not even that. And you include JP Arceo. Oh. And you include Sarnaya Lacson. You, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, don't call us autistic. You are criminal. You are a criminal because you are a criminal. And you say about PI? Go to hell, Bespil, and fuck you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo. And fuck you, Gina Sejo. Oh, both of you. Even I'm saying, fuck both of you. I say to you in Filipino word. I say to you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo. I don't want to say a PI. Let me censor my bad word. Putang ina kayo, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. At Gina Sejo. Wala kayong kadala-dala. Because both of you are stupid. And you know, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, don't include Sir William Ducut. What does Sir William Ducut did to you, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo? And you call me Down syndrome? Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. If you want to challenge me to fight, come here in Caloocan, in 5th Avenue, even you, Gina Sejo, and Victor Soriano, who's an anti-TVJ. Even you, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, because I cannot fight with you in Alabang, in Las Piñas. It's too far. In Alabang Malls, in Las Piñas. I will not gonna go there. Come here in Caloocan, in 5th Avenue. And then let's start a fight, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. You know, Bespil, I condemn your negative words and you calling me autistic. And you know, I will not gonna tolerate your behavior, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. Shania Kiana is not tolerated your behavior. Even Paula Nunez is not gonna tolerate your behavior, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. If you try that to say that to Nanay Banji, and you call that Paris Kadiri, if you try that, like I said to you, Bespil, baka masasampal ka ni Nanay Banji. Oh, you know that, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. And you call Diwata Kadiri. However, it's really gross. Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, that's really rude. Ikaw ang Kadiri Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. You are gross. Even that Quaker Kadiri. Like I said, gross. Ang Quaker mo Bespil ay Kadiri. That's why. You are calling Diwata Kadiri, that Paris. You're banned to go. You're banned. You're always being banned in the Paris restaurant. Wag ka na kumain ng Paris Bespil. You know that. Should not eat Paris because you're trying to make nonsense. Even Paris of Diwata and you call it Kadiri. That's very awful. Wag ganon, Bespil. Arnel Castillo. It's really awful. Like I say to you, Bespil, Arnel Castillo, bastos ka, Bespil. You are so rude. One more calling me autistic again, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo. Remember, I will not gonna tolerate your behavior. I will tell it to Joel Ferrer that I already filed the cases against you, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo, together with your allies Gina Sejo and Victor Soriano. I will not gonna tolerate your behavior, Bespil, aka Arnel Castillo.